guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make banana cake with pecan. This recipe is very easy to follow and it's very crispy outside and inside is very moist and soft. So I want to show you how I make this step by step, and if you're interested, please keep with me. I'm gonna use all the simple ingredients today. Please check the recipe description box below. First of all, I am going to use 3 medium-sized banana. If you have a very big banana, then please use 2.5. Okay, first I'm going to press them until become very small pieces. Then add 2 eggs, half cup of milk batter. Your batter should be room temperature. 1 cup of flour, now I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 cup of sugar. You can totally adjust the sweetness. Time to chop the pecan nut. This is optional. If you don't have, you can use any kind of nut that you prefer. But I think pecan nut go well with banana cake. Mix them very well. And now make sure to apply the batter around the baking container so that you can easily remove the cake later on. Now I am gonna add more pecan on the top. This is the best part of making your banana cake crunchy. I'm gonna bake them about 45 minutes with 180 degrees Celsius. They look so nice and yummy, but you should cool them down a bit before you serve. Time to enjoy your tasty banana cake with a cup of jasmine tea. That will be lovely. They are so crunchy outside and very soft and moist inside. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, do not forget to thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye.